Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lee's class. Today we're going to learn how to solve percent problems. So we're going to find the whole when given a percent and find the percent increase and decrease. Okay, look at the warm-up question. 9 out of 25 students like Nike and 40% of the students like Adidas. Okay, the first question. What fraction of students like Nike? That is 9 over 25. 9 out of 25. And what percent of students like Nike? You simply divide 9 by 25 using your calculator. So let's do 9 divided by 25. And that is 0.36. So the decimal number is 0.36. So that's how many percents, everyone? So you simply move 2 decimal places, right? So that is 36%, right? And the question asks you to find how many students like Adidas. Everyone, in total, how many students are there? 25 students. It says 40% of the students. So 40% of the students, and we know the number of students is 25. Okay? So let's calculate it. 40% in decimal, that is 0.40. You can omit 0. Of is multiplication. Times it by 25. Let's calculate it. 0.4 times 25. That is 10. So 10 students like Adidas. Okay, so the answer is 10 students. Look at example 1. Find the number in each case. So we're going to convert this to a mathematical sentence. So 70%. How do you change 70% to a decimal? That's 0.7. Of is multiplication. A number. We're going to let the number be n. Is equal sign 63. So I want you to write it down. Let the number be n, and of is multiplication. Is an equal sign. So remember this. So when you see a number, you can let the number be n or x. So whatever the variable is, just use a variable. So 0.7 times n equals 63. So we're going to find n. How do you find n? So if it is confusing, I want you to think about this. 2 times x is 10. How do you find x? You divide 10 by 2 to find x. Same thing. To find n, you're going to divide 63 by 0.7. So let's use your calculator to find the answer. So 63 divided by 0.7, that is 90. So the answer, n is 90. Okay, so 175% of a number. So we're going to let the number be n. So when 175% is 1.75. So remember everyone, to change the percent to a decimal number, you move 2 decimal places. So 1.75% of is multiplication times by n is equal sign 105. N is 105 divided by 1.75. So let's use your calculator. 105 divided by 1.75. So that is 60. So the answer is 60. So this is how you solve the problems. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Example 2. A length of 30 centimeter increased by 40%. What is the new length? Right, there are two methods. Method 1. So I want you to write it down. The increase. So the increase is 40% of 30 centimeter, right? 40% of 30 centimeter. So I want you to calculate it. 40% of 30 centimeter. How would you calculate this? So you're going to change this to a mathematical sentence. So 40% is 0.4 of is multiplication 30. So 0.4 times by 30. So let's do it. 0.4 times 30. That is 12. So the increase is 12 centimeter. And the new length. The new length is the original length, 30 centimeter, plus the increase, 12 centimeter. So the answer is 42 centimeter. All right, so this is the first method. And second method, so I want you to look at this. Increased by 40%. I briefly went over this in last class. So increased by, is it addition or subtraction? Increased by is addition. So you're going to add 40% to 100. That is 140%. So what you're going to find is 140% of 30 centimeter. Okay? Then that is 1.40. You can omit 0 of is multiplication and 30 centimeter. So let's do it. 1.4 times 30. That is 42. So the answer is 42 centimeter. So either way, you get the same answer. So you can use any method. So you can use the first method or second method. Okay? Next, a mass of 50 grams decreased by 17%. Okay, everyone. So we're going to find method 1. We're going to find the decrease. So the decrease is 17% of 50 grams. So that is 0.17 times by 50. So let's use your calculator to find the answer. Okay. 0.17 times 50. So that is 8.5. So the decrease is 8.5. And the new length. So this is decreasing. The original weight, the original mass is 50 grams. If it is decreasing, if it is decrease, would you add or would you subtract? So let's subtract. 8.5 grams. So 50 grams minus 8.5 grams. Then 41.5. So the answer is 41.5 grams. So this is the new mass. Sorry, this is new mass, not length. New mass. Okay? Method 2. So everyone, decreased by 17%. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract 17 from 100. Then that is 83%. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to find 83% of the original, 50 grams. Then let's change this to a mathematical sentence. 0.83 times 50. So let's calculate it. 0.83 times 50. That is 41.5. 41.5 grams. So either way, you get the same answer. Okay? Alright, that is it for this lesson. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.